Our today's topic is income from other sources and subject is taxation-II. We will start with sum number 3. Shri Jagdish Mathur is an Indian citizen and ordinary resident. Prepare a statement showing his taxable income from other sources from the details of his income for the year 2018-19 given below. First number, he has received on 15th April 2018 the total accumulated amount of rupees 6,80,000 from unrecognized provident fund, of which the employer's contribution was rupees 2,80,000 and interest thereon was rupees 60,000. He had retired on 31st March 2018. The employer and employee were contributing equally to unrecognized provident fund. So total amount is 6,80,000 and 2,80,000 is contribution of employers and rupees 60,000 interest also of employer. So employer's contribution and interest is not taxable, but employee's contribution and interest. So interest of employees is taxable. So there are information given that he had retired on 31st March 2018 and the employee and employer were contributing equal to unrecognized provident fund. So 2,80,000 employee contribution and rupees 60,000 interest also of employee. So employee's interest is taxable under the income from other head. Second, agricultural income from land in UP. So agricultural land of India is not taxable, exempted. Third, price from crossword puzzles rupees 5,500. Fourth, interest on government securities. Government securities is taxable. Next, interest received on tax-free commercial securities. Commercial securities is also taxable. Next, amount of third prize received for participating in motor car race. It is also taxable under this head, rupees 50,000. Next, loss in card games. Loss in card games is not taxable. Interest on deposits in foreign companies and its rupees value was 3,500. It is taxable. Remuneration received for working as a judge in a beauty contest. It is also taxable. Interest due on Kisan Vikas Patra and Indira Vikas Patra during the previous year was rupees 16,420 and rupees 8,640 respectively. It is also taxable. Next, remuneration received for working as an examiner in university examination, rupees 2,400. It is also taxable. Next, interest due during the previous year on post office national saving certificate. National saving certificate is taxable. Next, interest earned on post office saving bank account. Saving bank account is not taxable. It is exempted income. Next, interest on 7% capital investment bonds. It is also exempted. Next, debenture interest received from Indian company. Debentures is taxable. Next, income from royalty. Royalty is also taxable. Next, gift received from his uncle. From his uncle means relatives, so it is not taxable. Next, he has paid interest of rupees 1,500 on bank loan taken for making investment in debentures of Indian companies. Investment in debentures is taxable. He has paid interest of rupees 3,000 on bank loan taking for making investment in share of companies from whom no dividend income is received. Investment in share of companies is not taxable, it is exempted. So it will not be deducted from incomes. And last, bank commission paid from transferring interest on deposits in foreign companies to India rupees 350. It is also taxable. So it will be deducted as a specific deduction. This is the answer. First, interest on employees' contribution rupees 60,000 is taxable. Next, price from crossword puzzles rupees 5,500 also taxable. Interest on government securities is taxable rupees 1,800. Fourth, interest received on tax-free commercial securities is also taxable. So amount is 3,600 and TDS is 10%. See in fifth number, interest received on tax-free commercial security, TDS rate is given 10% and amount is rupees 3,600. So 3,600 into 100 upon 100 minus 10 TDS means upon 90. So amount total is rupees 4,000. Next, amount of third prize received for participating in motor car race is also taxable, rupees 50,000. Next, interest on deposits in foreign companies is also taxable, rupees 3,500. Next, remuneration received for working as a judge in a beauty contest is also taxable, rupees 25,000. Next, interest due on Kisan Vikas Patra and Indira Vikas Patra both are taxable under this head, rupees 16,425 plus 8,640. The total amount is 25,065. Next, remuneration received for working as an examiner in university examination is also taxable, rupees 2,400. Next, interest due during the previous year on post office national savings certificate. National savings certificate is also taxable, rupees 1,480. Next, debenture interest received from Indian companies. Debenture is taxable, rupees 13,500 into 100 upon TDS. 100 minus 10 means 90. So total amount is rupees 15,000. And last, income from royalty, rupees 7,200. So total is 2,945. And deductions, there are two deductions. First, interest on bank loan 1,500 and second, bank commission rupees 350. Investment in shares is not taxable, so it will be not deduct as a deduction. So total amount is 2,945 minus 1,500 minus 350. So net answer is 1,99,095. Taxable income from other sources. Next, sum number 4. Shri Jawaharlal Gotawala is an author. You are required to compute his taxable income under the head income from other sources from the following details of income of financial year 2018-19 furnished by him. There are given all incomes. First, royalty from the publication of novels and children's story book, rupees 2,17,600. It is taxable. Expenses incurred in this respect are typing rupees 10,000 and proofreading charges is rupees 5,700. This both expenses, typing and proofreading charges, will be deducted from the income of royalty, that is 2,17,600. Next, first prize of rupees 50,000 received from story competition organized by Navsarjan, a monthly magazine. It is also taxable. Next, share dividend rupees 6,250. 50. Share dividend is not taxable, it is exempted. Next, bank interest 9300. Bank interest is taxable. Next, income from investment in UTI. UTI investment is not taxable, it is exempted. Next, remuneration of rupees 10,000 earned on translation of Marathi novel in Gujarati. Remuneration is taxable. Interest received on rupees 90,000 15% listed tax-free debenture of Kautilya Limited. The rate of TDS is 10%. Next, this is the answer. First, royalty from the publication of novels. Income is 2,17,600 and expenses minus 10,000 minus 5,700. So net amount is 2,01,900. Second, prize received from story competition organized by Navsurjan, a monthly magazine. It is taxable rupees 50,000. Next, remuneration earned on translation of Marathi novel in Gujarati. Same, taxable 10,000. Next, interest received on listed tax-free debentures of Kautilya Limited. Amount is 90,000. Rate of interest is 15%. So net amount of interest is 13,500 into 100 upon 100 minus TDS 10. So 13,500 into 100 upon 100 minus 10 means 90. So total amount is 15,000. So first make total of this all incomes. 2,01,900 plus 50,000 plus 10,000 plus 15,000 is equal to 2,76,900 less deductions. Bank interest. There are only one deduction is given, that is bank interest, rupees 9,300. So net answer is 2,76,900 minus 9,300. So 2,67,600 is our total taxable income from other sources.